If you're always running late to work, appointments, school drop-off, or even just meeting friends, you're not alone. Most people aren't late because they're lazy or irresponsible. They're late because they misunderstand time, rush the wrong parts of their routine, or procrastinate tiny steps that snowball into big delays. Today, I'm going to show you why this happens and how to fix it. Most people think they know how long things take, but they don't. They underestimate almost every step of their routine by 20 to 40%. This is called time blindness, and it's the #1 cause of chronic lateness. The fastest way to fix lateness is to know your real numbers. Tomorrow morning, time yourself doing your normal routine. Most people are shocked when they see the truth. Once you know your real times, you can plan accurately. Instead of a leave by time, set a ready by time. The moment you must be fully ready, shoes on, keys in hand. That 10-minute buffer absorbs all the tiny delays. To fix the last-minute scramble, create a launch zone for your keys, wallet, and bag. If you procrastinate getting ready, use the 2-minute start rule. Just put on your socks or brush your teeth to get momentum. Reverse engineer your arrival. If you need to be there at 8 o'clock, factor in the drive, parking, and a buffer to find your true leave time. Finally, fix the one more thing trap. Sending a quick email or checking social media steals the minutes you don't have. When it's time to leave, leave. People aren't late because they're bad at time. They're late because they're guessing. You don't need to change your personality. You just need a better system. I'm Scott, and that's your top tip for today.